If you've been wondering how to sell digital products with AI as a beginner, this video is your shortcut. You'll learn how to create your first product, build an audience, and make sales with tools like ChatGPT and our go-to system, which I'll be sharing in this video, so stay tuned. Watch till the end because I'm also sharing a few mistakes that most beginners make so you can avoid them and grow faster. Imagine if Tony Stark had built his empire not with a suit, but by selling templates, PDFs, and courses from a laptop in Malibu. That is the power of digital product. Digital products are downloadable or streamable items like ebooks, templates, courses, or printables that people can buy online. No physical inventory, no shipping. You create them once and you can sell them over and over again. Some creators make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month with just one product. And the best part, it scales globally. You don't need to be famous or tech savvy to sell a digital product. You just need to solve a small problem for someone. And now with AI, it's even easier. What's one question you have about creating or selling a digital product? Drop it in the comments so I can answer it in a future video. So far, I've shared what digital products are, but if you want to discover the perfect profitable digital product for you, you can download our totally free profitable digital product discovery bot. Let's talk about why digital products are the GOAT of online income streams. Low startup costs, no inventory, passive income potential. You can build once and earn for months or even years. Plus, you can do it from anywhere in the world. Imagine sitting on that dream vacation just watching the numbers roll in. You could launch a $17 product and sell 100 in a month. That's $1,700. Stack that with other products and offers, you're on your way to real income and freedom. This is the business model that gives you time freedom. No customer service nightmares or chasing clients. Just create once and focus on marketing. Here's how to turn ChatGPT into your personal product creator in just seconds. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, write content, generate outlines, and format your digital product. You can ask it to do things like create a 5-day meal planner template for busy moms, write a 10-page ebook on how to budget for beginners, outline a digital course on how to organize your home using the KonMari method. It's like having a digital assistant 24/7. No tech skills required, just copy, paste, and tweak. Think of it as your Jarvis for digital product creation. No audience, no problem. You can grow one from scratch and AI can help you do it faster. Use ChatGPT to write lead magnet headlines, opt-in page copy, YouTube video ideas, Instagram captions, and genuinely so much more. The more consistently you show up, the more people start following and trusting you. Now remember, we previously asked ChatGPT to help us create outlines for 2 digital products. Now we're going to ask it to help us create content around those digital products to promote. Here are 2 prompts for ChatGPT to help you create that content. Write a YouTube script outline for a video on how to meal prep for beginners. Write 5 Instagram carousel captions about why budgeting is actually self-care. Even if you're starting from zero, building a small engaged audience is 100% doable. Focus on giving value and building trust. And if you'd like our exact YouTube script template so you can script your videos to grow on YouTube, you can grab it completely free in the link in the description below the video. Let's talk about how to actually sell your product and why where you sell it actually matters. When you sell to an audience you've built, like YouTube, an email list, or social media, you control the relationship. You don't get buried by the competition like on Etsy or Amazon. And you don't pay extra platform fees. And most importantly, you can launch, test, and tweak products quickly. Again, use ChatGPT to write your product description, your sales page, and even a 5-email launch sequence. Then host and automate the entire thing using System.io, our go-to platform. It's free to start and it includes your sales funnel, email marketing, and product delivery all in one place. System.io is perfect if you want to keep things simple and streamlined. You do not need a tech background. Just plug in your content, connect your payment method, and go. Before we wrap up, let me quickly share a few beginner mistakes so you do not waste your time. Skipping market research. Don't create something just because it's trending. Use ChatGPT to validate ideas. You can do this with audience-focused prompts like, what's a common problem beginner bakers face? Building before having an audience. Avoid dumping your energy into a product before you even have 10 to 15 people that trust your voice. Grow your email list or just post consistently on one platform. And then last, selling on platforms you do not own. Etsy and Amazon might bring exposure, but you do not control your audience or the algorithm. System.io lets you own the entire buyer journey. Now let's finish strong. This entire business model is made for beginners. You don't need a fancy background, a marketing degree, or a huge following. All you need is one small solution and the courage to take action. The only thing standing between you and your first sale is starting. And if you want to learn our entire digital product process, along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. Now that you know how to sell digital products with AI, you might be wanting to learn how we make $9,019 a week selling ChatGPT digital products. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair what you just learned to what's in this video, it is way more powerful. I'll see you in the next video.